So this is the dilemma by the door. I needed a rug and I found one. The first one I had was cheesy and terrible. So I needed someplace big enough where when I come in the door, like I just did from Menards, I'm wetting my floor up. So I don't want to do that. And I want to have something that can go here that can dry my feet if I needed to walk in with my shoes, but we don't want to do that. But I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to put the rug down. It should be big enough to, I hope, hold the shoes on the side and also someone walk in and wipe their feet, you know. So let's get into it. And because of that salt, I don't want that salt eating up my new floors. Let's get all this stuff up first and then I'm going to do my little wet mop thing. These leaves, it is still fall leaves outside. All right, let's move these shoes out of the way. It's salt. I went with the brown. I thought it would look better versus kind of just standing out and contrasting so much by the door. So let's see. Let's get this mopped up real quick. That's adhesive stripping I gotta put on the door. I just stuck it there for right now so I don't forget. Right. Let me mop it. Cause salt, oh, I hate the way salt does your floor to scratch it up and do all that craziness. Let that dry for a second and let me show you guys the rug while I do that, while it does that. This is the rug. Oh, my camera's tilted. This is the actual rug. And it's a brown and it is a utility mat. Durable utility mat, absorbs water, reduces slips. Easy to clean, just shake or brush. And it's by Perfect for Business or Home. Yep. And I got this from Menards and it was like 15 and some change. These rugs, these utility mats and winter mats and all that stuff are like really high. I'm like, Lord. I was trying to get one that was anywhere between what do you call it, 40 to 60 inches at least, and this one is 48, so that's perfect. And hopefully it looks okay and lays flat. If not, I'll put some double-sided tape on it. But this is all preventative stuff that I'm doing. You'll see these little quick videos, but behind the scenes I have done lots of installation and all types of stuff. Hold on, y'all. This is ridiculous. Like, just unopened. Come on. Lord. It's pretty wide, so it looks like it's going to do what I need it to do. All right, let me flip y'all around. Let me frown. Let's see. Nobody's gonna really come on the other side of the door, so I'm gonna push it over as much as I can, like that. So when you come in, you got enough space to take your shoes off, set them right here on the side, and then, you know, or wipe your feet off or whatever if you have to walk in. So, and that was only 15 bucks. Winter prevention. I gotta get that caulk off my door. The door needs to be painted. I'm not ready to paint it yet. The trim needs to be painted. All that good stuff. But anywho, yep. So that's the prevention. All right, y'all. I end up breaking the video, pressing stop instead of record, and hopefully it'll be all right. All right, y'all. Let me get this video on the editor and see if I can make it one video. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, talk to me in the comments because I talk back. I will see you guys later, Gators. And that's the single mom versus the fixer-upper signing out.